Hi my friends, welcome to German for Lazy. We are going to continue our very important course. Let's talk about articles in German. In German, the words der, das and die are articles used to indicate the gender of a noun. The choice of which article to use depends on the gender of the noun. Der is used with masculine nouns. Der Mann, a man. Der Tisch, a table. Die is used with feminine nouns. For example, die Frau, a woman. Die Blume, a flower. Das is used with neuter nouns. For example, das Kind, a child. Das Haus, a house. Very well, let's learn another German words. Der Hund, a dog. Der Stuhl, a chair. Die Katze, a cat. Die Tür, a door. Die Sonne, a sun. Das Buch, a book. Das Auto, a car. Das Fenster, a window. Nice job, my friends. Let's pronounce one more time each of the new words. Der Mann, a man. Der Tisch, a table. Die Frau, a woman. Die Blume, a flower. Das Kind, a child. Das Haus, a house. Der Hund, a dog. Der Stuhl, a chair. Die Katze, a cat. Die Tür, a door. Die Sonne, a sun. Das Buch, a book. Das Auto, a car. Das Fenster, a window. Well done, my friends! Now, if you haven't already learned each of these new German words, don't worry, never give up. You can always listen to this video one more time. Danke, see you next time. Tschüss!